Welcome everyone to the Tiny ADHD episodes, Superpower, episode 131. Today we'll be talking about ADHD genes. Alright, ADHD is a highly inheritable condition, meaning genetics play a significant role in its development. While there isn't one single ADHD gene that's been discovered yet, research has identified multiple genes associated with an increased risk of ADHD. These genes influence brain development and neurotransmitter systems, particularly dopamine. Obviously, I'm a dopamine seeker, which is involved in attention and motivation. The key points about ADHD genetics. Alright, first, heritability. Studies estimate that genetic accounts for a large portion of ADHD risk, with some estimates suggesting heritability as high as 74 to 91%. Multiple genes. ADHD is not caused by a single gene, but rather by a combination and effect of various variations in many genes. Number 3, specific genes. There are several specific genes that's been linked to ADHD, according to the research up to date today. First one is DRD4, dopamine D4 receptor. It's a gene that involves in dopamine signaling with a specific polymorphism, short and long forms, potentially affecting receptor binding. Second, SLC6A3, dopamine transporter. Variations in this gene, particularly the 9-repeat and 10-repeat alleles, have been associated with ADHD in different age groups. Other genes are related also, and other transmitters like DBH, DRD5, and 5-HT1B have also been implicated in research. The brain development of ADHD genes, including neuron formation, growth, and connections. There's a shared genetic liability and the evidence that risk factors between ADHD and other conditions like autism spectrum disorder and conduct problems are somewhat related. I disagree from my research. It's not a simple inheritance. The way ADHD is inherited is very complex and it's not fully understood. And it's not a simple dominant or recessive pattern that's been found either. Also, lastly, why do I have this thing in the middle of my head? I don't know. Lastly, there's no genetic test like autism. You can actually test for, MS, all that stuff that you can. There's currently no genetic test for a definitive diagnosis of ADHD. So, in essence, while genetics significantly contribute to ADHD, it is complex. It's more inherited from the mother's side, as opposed to the dad's side, it also affects brain development and affected by environmental factors rather than just the presence or absence of a single gene. Thank you guys.